Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of December the 22nd to the 28th. So this is the week of Christmas and we have two freebies, which is pretty cool. So the first thing we're going to talk about is on Wednesday, these two boosters showed up in my account. Hopefully you have the same one as I. The first is a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G products. This is our Christmas gift right here. Fine print is online only. Pay attention to that. And then $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy two selected dental care products, and that is an online as well. Load both of them and we will have deals to go with that curbside. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is this 33% off for different foods, toys, accessories. That's still ongoing right till Christmas Day. And then on the 26th, the day after Christmas, typically at Walgreens, everything will be 50% off for the holiday stuff. So as stated, probably most stores will be closed on Christmas Day. They started doing that a couple years back. If you live in a very large town, say you live in Chicago, for example, perhaps a couple of your pharmacies will be open, but the majority of them will be closed, but they need a couple open for that day. And then expect on Thursday the 26th, the day after Christmas, Christmas merchandise will be 50% off. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 22nd. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps out the channel and everything. If you could just take a second and like the video. For Christmas, I would just like a very enthusiastic thumbs up. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, first dealio we're going to talk about is for some free Crest and Oral-B. It's going to be $3.50. We're looking for the cheapest stuff. $2 digital. I'm assuming it's on a paste and a brush. Here it is, guys. One of each at $3.50 a pop. That's 7. Subtracting two $2 coupons, that's $4 melting off. You're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward. That's something called free and Christmas magic. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But a deal to at least go into the store and moonwalk by that dental care aisle and make this deal happen and then leave the store right away if you're busy with Christmas stuff. But who doesn't like free dental care products? Next deal that we're looking at is with the Garnier Fructis or whole blends. They have combined that coupon in the last couple go-arounds, but if they give us one for each, we can do them separate transactions. So grabbing two of the Fructis or whole blends, you pick, it's $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per Garnier product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, if the whole blends and the Fructis are included for this, you'd obviously have to do two separate transactions because that $3 register reward will only print once per transaction. So you'd have to break it up into two transactions. This week, a lot of us were getting free prints and this was printing out of the machine. If you want to slide this into a deal, we have some freebies that are going to work for us with a $15 basket. Now, what we're going to do, guys, is grab two of those Crest and Oral-B products at $3.50 a pop for 7, two Garnier products for 8. That's a total of $15 right there. Have those digital coupons loaded. We're looking at $7. 2 for each Crest and Oral-B, and then a 3 off 2 for the Garnier. Get the cashier to scan that paper booster of 5 back when you spend 15. Punch in your phone number so that $7 of digitals will melt off. You're going to pay 8 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash and 2 $3 register rewards. 3 for Crest, 3 for Garnier. It makes your basket of 4 items free plus a $2 money maker. Let's not forget, as you're using that paper booster of 5 back when you spend 15, you can't use any Walgreens cash for this basket, but this is a little something called Merry Christmas. Another super-duper deal with this. So if you went and got the free prints and then maybe ordered a couple like loose prints and you have a couple of these, here's another deal for you. It is to grab a $14.99 Schick razor refill and a razor for $9.99. We have $4 coupons off of each. So grabbing one of each, that will be $24.98. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 5 back when you spend 15. $8 of digital coupons will be melting off. 4 for the men's, 4 for the ladies. With your debit card, you're going to pay $16.98, get back a $10 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.98 for the two or 99 cents per. And do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster with this deal. Now, this is absolutely everybody's favorite deal. If you really want to stock up on the more expensive Tide products, like this is the one for you, you're going to need your paper booster, 5 back when you spend 15. And this is what we're going to be grabbing, guys. 4 of the different P&G laundry care products. So a liquid, a pod, the dryer sheets, a fabric softener of some sort. And typically all of these will have like equaling $5 of digital coupons. We'll have to root around on Sunday morning for those. So 4 of those laundry care products at $5.49 is $21.96. Get the cashier to scan your 5 back when you spend 15 booster. Hopefully we're going to have at least $5 in digitals to come off. You're going to pay $16.96 with your debit card. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward for buying 4 of these products, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per laundry care product. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using that booster with this deal. And if you love Arm & Hammer, it's going to be on a buy one, get two for free promotion. Typically, when this promotion rolls around, it's $7.99 for the first. So it'll be about $2.66 per unit of pods, laundry care, liquid detergent. Not a bad stock up price. And we have the Colgate brush and paste at $4 and a $3 reward when you buy 2. And we have two $2 digitals off of the brush and the paste. So grabbing 1 of each, it'll be $8. Subtracting your digital coupons, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so now we're going to go through some quick honorable mentions, and the first one is a buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home food storage bags, very similar to Ziploc. Typically, it's $2.79 for the first, and the other 2 are free, so it's 93 cents per box of 20. A fabulous, fabulous stock-up price for these bags. And moving it along, we have a BOGO free for the Oreo cookies. If you are into making beautiful stockpile gifts, if you put one of these family size Oreo cookies in any sort of like basket hamper for family and friends with your stockpile gifts, I mean, that shows you really care, I think. It's usually $7.99 for the first, so it'd probably be like close to $4 or $3.98 per. Very good deal. And we have the Haagen-Dazs ice cream BOGO free. So definitely check your Fetch Rewards account. Do you have like a rebate for this? I know that there was a ton this fall for this specific brand of Haagen-Dazs. And also 2 for $8 for the Oscar Mayer bacon. And these are the, I believe they're the 1 pound bag. So there's quite a bit of bacon in there. So $4 per unit. Not the worst little deal. And the Kellogg cereal is also BOGO free. So it's right near Christmas and they're really pulling out all the stops for food. If you wanted to do 20 or 50 bucks just for food in Walgreens cash, like I would totally do that, especially if you have a lot of hungry people in your house for the holiday season. And the final little item we're looking at is the 3 for $13.99 for the Pepsi Mountain Dew Canada Dry. Not the greatest price, but if you consider these 12 packs are usually $9.99 per, it's kind of a deal, like better than paying full price, that is for sure. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.